Hello, mathematicians. This is lesson 6.3 of coordinate geometry. Today, mathematicians will derive the standard equation for a circle. So we know the equation for lines, parabolas, but what about circles? Today, we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem to derive an equation for circles. As a reminder, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And we can find the distance between 2 points using the Pythagorean theorem. Here we have point A and B. The distance of length A is 3, length B is 4. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. And to find length AB, we know that the square root of 25 is 5. So the distance between A and B is 5. We found that using Pythagorean theorem. Now let's derive the circle equation with that knowledge. Here we have a circle in which the center point is h, comma, k. The x-coordinate is h, the y-coordinate is k. We have our radius, which is the distance between the center and any point on the outside. And we have a point on the outside. We're labeling that just xy. So with Pythagorean theorem, we label our sides of our triangle, A, B, and C. Our radius is C. But what is A and B? Well, if you look, the distance here between the center and this is just x minus h. The distance here is y minus k. So if we were to put that all together into our equation a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we would have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And that is our equation of a circle. Let's break that equation down. Our center point is h, comma, k. Our radius is here. Notice how we need to switch the signs of our center point when we put it in the equation or when we take it out of the equation. So negative is positive and positive is negative. It's our opposite sign. So if I gave the example of x minus 5 squared plus y plus 7 squared equals 12, if this was a circle, the center of the circle would be 5, negative 7. Notice how the sign is switched on both. The x comes from this, and the y coordinate of the center comes from this, hk. The radius is right here. But notice how this is the radius squared. So how would we find the radius? By taking the square root. So the radius is square root of 12. Now let's make an equation of a circle together. If I gave you this circle, how would we find the equation? We would have to, 1, find the center, 2, find the radius. So what is the center? The center is negative 5, 5. What is the radius? Well, the distance from the center to the outside is 2 units. So the radius is 2. We have to put both of those into our equation. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, and we are going to plug in those numbers into our equation. So h is our x, negative 5, and y, or k, is our y, which is 5. Our radius is 2, so we have 2 squared. And let's simplify this. X minus -5, we can just rewrite as x plus 5. So we switched the sign. And 2 squared is 4. So our equation is x plus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 4. The radius is 2 squared, 4. And our center is HK. We switched the signs. Now, to practice this, please either use the tinyurl.com/con63 and do at least 2 of 3 assignments, or use the Desmos activity in the plans. Once you are complete, do the cooldown 6.3, in which you are writing an equation that represents each of these circles. Make sure to use the equation of a circle, the standard equation, to write them. Thanks for listening.